You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, where every week we share stories of families who trusted us to make their international move simple and stress-free. Today's story comes from a family of 4 from San Francisco relocating to Lisbon, Portugal. A dream move that could have easily turned into a nightmare if not handled correctly. When they first started planning, they were overwhelmed. They contacted several movers and got wildly different quotes. Some were low but vague. Others were unclear about port fees and custom requirements. Then they found SDC. We began with a virtual home survey to accurately measure their shipment, which included a car to be shipped in the same container as their household goods, a service SDC specializes in. Our relocation team built a transparent, all-inclusive quote that covered everything: packing, documentation, custom clearance, delivery, and insurance. There was no hidden fees and no surprises. Once they approved, our professional packers arrived with expert-grade materials, ensuring even delicate artwork and heirloom furniture were secured for the 8-week sea journey to Lisbon. We provided real-time tracking and updates along the way. When the container arrived, our local partners in Portugal managed custom clearance, coordinated door-to-door delivery, and completed white glove unpacking at their new home. The family told us we were bracing for stress, but everything went exactly as SDC promised. The transparency and professionalism were incredible. That's the SDC difference: global expertise, local care, and service that feels personal. Start your own journey with confidence. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or give us a call 877-339-0267 to request your free moving quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.